Hello there. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about Exchange Control Panel. So Exchange Control Panel provides web-based interface. It means we have web-based interface. We can manage Exchange configuration settings like mailbox, external contacts, public group, administrator roles, and user roles. Through reporting functionality as well, we able to check the specific message and message log like delivery report as well, that which are the report which are the message actually delivers, and what are those messages are which has been sent through one mailbox to another mailbox. So it's a great feature. We can find it out through web interface. Here in the server configuration, first you open the Microsoft Exchange on premises and then server configuration. In server configuration we get client access. Click on the Exchange server, Exchange control panel, and this is the ECP, the full website. You can check it out. So this is what the properties is all about, and ECP properties, you can check it out, the internal URL, and through internal URL any Exchange admin able to check it out, the entire details of your Exchange server, as I mentioned. So this is the internal URL. So basically in the private network it will get resolved. An external URL as well, someone who actually accessing, or admin of admin department but accessing from the public network. In that case external URL you can provide, but it needs to be resolved. So in that case its entry needs to be there in the DNS. From that only, once it get resolved, from that only you able to access the ECP, Exchange Control Panel, from the public network. Authentication, regarding authentication, you have a couple of options like use one or more standard authentication method, or you have use form-based authentication. In that case, Exchange Control Panel use the sign-in form as Outlook web app like Outlook OWA. Otherwise you can integrated Windows authentication, digest authentication. By default basic authentication will be selected, like password isn't sent in clear text, whatever you have selected for the administrator password. Otherwise it will be get selected, and via OWA you can very easily able to access ECP, and you can configure SSL settings as well, virtual directory if you have IIS snap-in, or for example if you have certification from the trusted CA, then there will be no issue as well. Otherwise you will get the error, but error you will get, we will find it out when we access ECP through client. Hope you learned something about ECP.